What I'm doing today is making some very small boxes, lidded boxes, and they are very simply made. They're a fun project and easy to do. All that's required is just some simple tools, certainly a knife. I've got one here with serrated edge, which I like using for this project. I've also got something to scoop out clay with, so a loop tool is what I'm using here. And then another tool that's very useful is one of these bag wires. They come around the bags of clay, but they're very useful in pottery for cutting and shaping. So that's all we're going to need. So let's have a go and see how it's done. I've taken my quantity of clay and I'm just going to ensure that it sits level. So I'm just concentrating on the base, making sure that that's sturdy. And I'm going to take a knife and just start to cut into the clay. This is my saw-edged knife. So it cuts these nice jagged lines into the clay, which will enhance the texture. So I've cut round the outer perimeters of my box, and I now need to cut the lid. So this is where I'm going to use this wiggle wire tool. And I'm moving the wire up and down as I go through. All I'm doing is randomly cutting these. I don't want them to be perfect. I just want them to be as they come. What I'm going to do now is just let this stiffen up before I attempt to scoop out the insides of the box. If I do that now, what's going to happen is the rim will widen out as I'm working. So I want it to be a little bit firmer so that I can scoop it out without distorting the shape of the box. So I'll set that aside just for now and I'll come back to it when it's firm. So now I have my lidded box with the outside and the lid surfaces cut. What I need to do now is carve out the areas of the pot and the lid. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to mark out with a knife first and then use this loop tool to scoop out the waste that I don't want. And here is my finished box. I'm really pleased with it. It's got lots of character. And the lid just locates quite nicely on there because of the undulations that we cut with the wire. So it just sort of holds itself in place. And there it is with the smaller ones that I made previously. So you can make these any size that you like. They're simple to do and they're fun.